Hello, everyone. In this video, we want to give you a demonstration on how we can reproduce Hans Rosling's animated data visualization he created many years ago by using Tableau. So I ask you to watch this video by Hans Rosling. So if you have watched this video, you know it's a very well-known or famous animations created by Hans Rosling. You can see so many people, 15 million, more than 15 million views of this video. So if you look at this, the most exciting part of this. Here we go. So we see that in China, they're moving to better health, they're improving their all the green Latin American countries, they are moving towards smaller families. The yellow ones here are the Arabic countries, and they get larger families, but they longer life, but not larger families. The Africans are the green down here, they still remain here. This is India, Indonesia moving on to the first. And in the 80s here, you have Bangladesh still among the African countries there, but not Bangladesh. It's a miracle that happened in the 80s. The Imam started to promote family planning, and they move up into that corner. And in 90s, we have the terrible HIV epidemic that takes down the life expectancy of the African countries, and all the rest of the world moves up into the corner where we have long lives and small families, and we have a completely new world. So you can see this was created more than about 20 years ago. So before, at that time, there was no Tableau, and he actually developed a specific software program and created this animation and vividly portrayed this kind of an interesting story for the world's population and other kind of interesting data. So now let's see what we can do with Tableau. So Tableau, if you open Tableau, and on the left-hand side, at the bottom, you can see this particular data source already embedded. It's called word indicators. If you double-click this word indicators, Tableau is going to import this word indicator data set. So we are going to use these word indicators to produce something similar. Hans Rosling did about 20 years ago. So we'll just use this word indicator data set and then switch to in sheet 1. On the left-hand side, we are going to see some major indicators, some major global indicators. So we are now going to do something exactly the same. So, but we're doing something similar. So we'll choose life expectancy for female. So double-click it on the rows, move it to the rows. Then we show the birth rate on the columns. So instead of using summation, we change it to average. So we want to show globally the correlation between birth rate and a woman's life expectancy. Then we move the region to color. So on the right-hand side, you see there's six regions: Africa, Asia, Europe, Middle East, Oceania, and the Americas. So 6 circles are now displayed on the sheet. Then you see the correlation for these 6 regions. And we are not only going to show the regions, we will show each country. So next we move population. Population total to size. And then we move country to detail. So now you see all the countries here are being displayed. You can click the size to resize all the circles. Each circle represents a country. And then expand automatic menu and click a circle. So now the color will be filled in each circle. So highlight, so expand color mark. Then we change the opacity to around 65. We can also add a border, gray color. So finally is to add animation. So to add animation, we want to change from one year to another. So move year to pages. So then Tableau automatically will create this animation for you. On the right-hand side, below the sun legend, you see this year. And then you can click this button to animate this chart. You can also switch from slow to normal to fast. So this is very similar to Hans Rosling did many years ago. So Tableau has this capacity for us to quickly replicate what Hans Rosling did many years ago. So this kind of a way, by adding year to page, can help us easily create this kind of animated effect. So you can apply this technique to your data visualization or even to your projects. So let me know if you have any questions.